Hello everyone and welcome back to Lingvanest. Today we are starting the Russian language series. So let's start with the basic greetings. Здравствуйте. Repeat after me. Здравствуйте. It means hello. Repeat after me. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Second one. Привет. Привет. Yes, it is quite easier to say. Привет. Привет is used for your friends. And Здравствуйте is more formal. Let's start with another word. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. It means good morning. Добрый день. Добрый день. It means good afternoon. Repeat after me. Добрый день. Next word is добрый вечер. What is the word? Добрый вечер. It means good evening. The another word is спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи, which means good night. Repeat after me. Спокойной ночи. Good. The another word to say how are you is как дела. Как дела. Yes, repeat after me. Как дела. Good. Or you can say как вы. Как вы, which is a little bit more formal. The another word is Rad was vidit. Rad was vidit. Or Radha was vidit. If you are a male, you're going to say Rad was vidit. If you're a female, you're going to say Radha was vidit. The another greeting is Как жизнь. Как жизнь. Repeat after me. Как жизнь. It means how's your life? Что нового? Что нового? Which means what is new? Что нового?
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below and DM me for the presentation.